Heading into Tiergarten, already doing 210, 220. Have a little lift. You're okay there? Heading into what is normally the final corner. Let's go over the curve. Right, let's see what there is. Turn 13 on the Nordschleife. Right, we're on the tourist van, so let's go. A little dab on the brake. We're at the 2nd kilometre. Hats and back. A little bit of curb over the bumps. Okay, got to be a little careful. There's traffic. We've got to abide to the German road rules, so we can only overtake on the left-hand side. There we go. Green, red, and yellow. It's all under control. Trust me. Right. Flat. I'm going to be flat over the bridge. We're in a road car, so we have to have a little dab on the brakes. Going into Flugplatz. On the power. Yeah. A little wild there. Road cars move a fraction more. 270. It's quicker than the race car. Schroedenkreuz, heading in. Heading down Arenberg. This is one of my favourite parts of the lap. Hold on, flat out all the way down here over the humps. Whee! Little brake through Foxhora. On the brake, over the curb. Down again, get it sent into Adenauer Forest. A little power. Come on. Oh, come on, turn. Nicely done. All good. Right. A little dab on the brake. Course car. Pretend nothing's happening. Off we go, full power. Heading into Kallenhard. Down again. Go around the outside. Through Piff Path. Now heading into Miss Hit Miss. Missed the first apex, hit the second. Missed the third. Versiphon. He's good. Right, so be a little careful here. At Brightout, we just have to be a little careful because people are coming on and off the track. There we go, we can see 2 coming off. Right, now, back to full power. Now, the massive uphill climb, we're at the lowest part of the track now. So, heading into the Niki Lauda kink. Got dab on the brakes. Into Bergwerk. It's very dusty here. Someone spilled a load of oil earlier. Squeezing the power. Heading up all the way to Kesselken. Great part of the circuit. Super fast. God, that's super quick. Here we go. Keep going. 250. This is quicker than the GT3. We've got great top speed in this thing. Down again. Oh, a little bit of traffic, that's a shame. Down an extra gear because of that. Mid curve, super quick. Kilometer 13. Heading into Staustrecke. Oh god. Let's get it turned. Pushing, there we go, missed the bump. Probably the most famous corner on the track. Heading into the carousel, come on. Oh, we're a little quicker than him through here. Catching up. You hanging on alright?
Perfect! Amazing!
Headed up to Hoak, almost at the highest part of the track now. Down again. Little brake. Checked up. Squeeze the power. Hoak. Tallest part of the track. Squeeze the power. Oh. We've hit a traffic jam. There we go. Let's see if we can squeeze past. Nice and careful. There we go. A little bit of curve. Open Vipper man. Great section of the track. Little dab on the brakes. Off. Over the bump. Get it turned in. Heading into ice back. Heading into. This is where all the crowds are. Wrencher. Curb, just exited. Squeeze through here. Plan's gone on one. Whee! Down again. Oh, it's a shame we hit traffic. Another great part of the track. At the end of the lap, so corner, down one gear, and there's a yellow light, so let's take it easy. Oh, take a breath, head into the second mini carousel, nice and steady. Why there's a yellow light there. Nice and steady, heading into Gallengoff. The final major corner on the bridge to Gantry layout.